I took a little bit of an unintentional break. As mentioned in my previous videos, I recently got a secondhand kiln, which is great because currently in Harare there are no places that fire for you. So there's no firing services, nothing. So I haven't been able to fire any of my work for maybe like a year, and because of that, obviously it just demotivates me a little bit just because I can't actually finish anything that I make. So I got a kiln to set up, and then the whole story happened with buying a generator to have it as backup because like 80-90% of the time there's no electricity here and there's no schedule of when it cuts and comes back, so it's just very unreliable. So I was going to get a generator to back it up, and then that turned out to be a scam. So I lost all of that cash. That stepped me back. Yeah, now it's been like what, a few months later. I have set up the kiln. So I put down a slab, a little roof to protect it. I got an electrician out, he's connected everything, and then when I was running through with the electrician, he says the thermocouple's broken. So now that's stepping back another 2-3 weeks. I've ordered it, and it just feels like there's continuously delays. And yeah, so when my kiln was being set up and I thought I would be able to run it like by the end of the week or next week, I was making so many items, and I've got to the point where I actually can't make anything else because there is no space. I don't have any space to put it. I don't have my own like full-on studio, and that's definitely something that I'm working towards. But currently I just have that table that I made outside and a cupboard inside that I store some stuff in. But because greenware is so delicate, you can't stack anything, and it's got to the point where I don't have any more space to put the items. There's not even space for me to hand build anything. I can throw things on the wheel, but then where do I put it? It's just put a little bit of a lull. There's been a bit of a stop, and I think because of that I've just got a little bit demotivated. I was feeling so motivated, so excited. I have so many dreams with pottery, which I am still so excited to do. I would love to finally start selling my pieces. I would love to design vases and bespoke pieces to be able to sell. It's just been one delay after the other, and it feels like I'm at a little bit of a stop. I don't know if I've rambled on way too much, but I have not spoken to a camera in like months, so bear with me. It is pouring with rain and it's cold. It's just the best weather to just sit with a cup of coffee, put a movie on in the background, and so I don't know what it is about this weather. Anyway, that's my ramble. Thanks for coming to my TED Talk. I'll see you in the next clip with whatever I'm doing next.
Asking every question, 'cause I haven't got a clue.